delicious homemade hummus, pita bread, and mango lassi, Ramadan special iftar recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you as we create a delightful iftar spread perfect for Ramadan, homemade hummus, pita bread, and mango lassi. The best part? It's affordable and beginner-friendly. Let's dive into the world of flavors and traditions. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our mouth-watering recipes. Segment 1, Homemade Hummus. First up, let's tackle the star of our show, homemade hummus. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 can, 15 ounces, of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1/4 cup of tahini. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. 1 garlic clove, minced. Juice of 1 lemon. Half teaspoon of ground cumin. Salt to taste. Water, as needed for consistency. Now, let's get started with the preparation. 1. In a food processor, combine the chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, cumin, and a pinch of salt. 2. Blend the ingredients until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, gradually add water until you achieve your desired consistency. 3. Taste the hummus and adjust the salt and lemon juice according to your preference. Our creamy and rich homemade hummus is ready to be served. You can garnish it with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika, or some chopped parsley for a pop of color. Segment 2, Pita bread. Now, let's move on to the perfect accompaniment for our hummus, soft and fluffy pita bread. Here's what you'll need. 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 cup of warm water. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's start baking. 1. In a bowl, combine the warm water, sugar, and active dry yeast. 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. 3. Mix the ingredients until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes. 4. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. 5. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. 6. Divide the dough into small balls and roll them out into thin circles. 7. Place the rolled out dough on a baking sheet and bake for 5 to 7 minutes or until they puff up and turn golden brown. And there you have it, soft and pillowy pita bread ready to be served with our delicious hummus. Segment 3, Mango Lassi. Now, let's round off our iftar feast with a refreshing and sweet mango lassi. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of ripe mango, peeled and diced. 1 cup of plain yogurt. Half cup of milk. 2 tablespoons of sugar, adjust according to sweetness preference. A pinch of cardamom powder, optional. Ice cubes, optional. Let's blend up this delightful drink. 1. In a blender, combine the ripe mango, plain yogurt, milk, sugar, and cardamom powder. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. 3. If desired, add ice cubes and blend again until the lassi reaches your preferred consistency. Our mango lassi is ready to cool you down after a day of fasting. There you have it, dear viewers, a complete and affordable iftar spread with homemade hummus, pita bread, and mango lassi. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. These recipes are perfect for beginners, and the best part is you can share these delicious dishes with your loved ones during the holy month of Ramadan. Before we end, we want to remind you to break your fast with dates and water, as is the tradition, and offer your prayers. We hope these recipes add joy and flavor to your Ramadan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Comment down below with your thoughts, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. Until next time, Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.